I'm gonna just pull out another wipe, and I'm gonna show you guys how dirty the steering wheel actually is. So I'm getting my wipe, I'm taking it out again. Right now in the comment section down below, I want you guys to rate how dirty the steering wheel actually is. 1 being super clean to 10 being super dirty. Today I'm here to introduce you to our brand new wipes, Total Interior New Car Scent. So we took your favorite Chemical Guys Total Interior and your favorite scent from Chemical Guys New Car Smell, and we mixed them together and we got our brand new Total Interior Wipes New Car Scent. So I just want to address the elephant in the room. You guys can see dog hair all over the carpet. If you guys do want to see an in-depth video on how to remove dog hair or pet hair away from the interior car, tap the link down below. Alex will take you on a road and a journey on how to use our brand new 𝗀𝗶𝗃. So anyways guys, let's get back into this video. All right, first things first, all you want to do is just open up the cap and then you pull out a wipe. Now we are going to be talking about our wipes in depth. You guys can see this wipe actually has texture to it. The reason why we designed a wipe with texture, 1 is so you can have a deeper clean, and 2, the elasticity on it, it will not tear nor rip. Now this Total Interior wipe can be used all over the interior of the surfaces. I know I've been one time in your guys' shoes where I started thinking, does this product work on a navigation screen? Does this product work on here? Total Interior works on everything from mirrors to navigation screens to dashboards to even center consoles, shift knobs, steering wheels, leather, plastic, the list goes on. Total Interior wipes works fantastic. So after you pull it out, you get the amazing whiff of new car smell. So whenever you start off by cleaning up any type of interior, what I always recommend you guys do is start from top to bottom, because what ends up happening is, like, this owner of this car has dog hair everywhere. There's dog hair on top of the dashboard, so you want to remove all of that, let it fall back onto the on the floor, and then come back and use like the 𝗀𝗶𝗃 to clean that up. So after I pull out a wipe, all I'm gonna do, since I'm gonna start from top to bottom, we're gonna start off by cleaning up the dashboard. I'm gonna come up here, put my wipe on the surface, and then I'm just gently going to be wiping the surface down. Now the amazing thing about this wipe, it actually encapsulates all of the pet hair. So if you guys look closely, all of the pet hair is actually getting trapped into the wipe. Now what ends up happening is a lot of fur friends, they're a blast, but whenever you have them in the car, their fur lingers everywhere. And sometimes some fur friends, if you go to the beach, because I know I've taken my dog to the beach before, after you take them, it doesn't smell so good. So by using a Total Interior New Car Scented wipe, it's leaving the amazing smell of a new car. And one of my favorite things about our wipes and Total Interior, it leaves no shine left behind. So if you guys do have high spots, just go back over with a clean microfiber towel and remove it. We do an amazing job at adding more than enough product to a wipe, just so we can ensure you guys clean up your whole entire interior. Now we know a lot of people in the comment section down below, or all of our amazing Chemical Guys family actually has like sedans, have SUVs. So we're trying to cover both scenarios, whether you drive a sedan to an SUV to an RV, 1 wipe will be more than enough, especially you get 30 count wipes. And look at this, you can also use it on the navigation screen without harming it, nor discoloring it, nor leaving anything left behind. If you have a little bit left over, just get a clean microfiber towel and just wipe off any residue. And right now, all I'm doing is just touching up the whole entire dashboard and the navigation screen. And then after that, I'm gonna be working my way down to the shift knob, to the AC control unit, to the control stocks, to the steering wheel, to even the shift knob, and even the center console. Now, one of my favorite things about also using wipes on the interior, instead of using a spray, is 1, the wipe is going to allow you to contour to different areas. So look, I'm gonna fold up my wipe, and I'm actually gonna be going to this surface right here where it's a little bit more intricate, or it could be a little bit more tougher to get into. So by me folding my wipe, it's going to allow me to get into the nooks and crannies. Look at this. It just cleans right up. So after I'm done, if I flip it over, you can see that this textured wipe is doing such a great job at removing the filth and grime away from the surface of the vehicle, as well as leaving an OEM finish. And of course, I cannot forget, is leaving a new car scent left behind. All right, so now that you guys are over here, I want you guys to pay close attention to how the dashboard is coming out. It's clean, it smells fresh, and nonetheless, I'm only using a wipe. So I still have this wipe. Now we're gonna be touching the steering wheel, we're gonna be touching everything around the steering wheel. So look, I'm gonna reopen up my wipe, I'm gonna go to the surface, I'm gently going to start wiping it down. Now look, if you guys look at this cushion down here, I don't exactly know what that piece is called. Look at this, it's like an elastomer. But anyways, the wipe goes all the way to the back, so it could ensure I am removing all the dust, the debris, the grime, the fingerprints, anything that this car might have. I want to ensure I clean it all up. And look, whenever you guys have control stocks, a lot of people tend to forget that they have lotion on their hands, they might have makeup, they might have sunscreen. And you doing this every single day, sooner or later it's gonna get super dirty. So by using a wipe, put it on here, you just turn it, look at this. It's gonna bring it back. And I'm just going side to side. It looks like this owner of this car loves jamming to music because this button right here has like the most filth and grime. So just rubbing it back and forth is going to allow me to remove everything. Look, after that, if you have any excess like I was mentioning before, just get a clean microfiber towel, come back and just buff off any residue. And look at that, the steering wheel looks amazing, the control stocks look amazing. One thing I do want to touch base on is going to be on these air vents. What I like to do on cleaning up air vents, one, you can use sticky icky, or two, you can just grab a wipe and then just go to the surface and just gently clean them up. But one thing I do want to touch base on is going to be on the groove. So instead of me using the same wipe, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my canister because I do have about 30 in here. I'm gonna just pull out another wipe and I'm gonna show you guys how dirty the steering wheel actually is. So I'm getting my wipe, I'm taking it out again. Right now in the comment section down below, I want you guys to rate how dirty the steering wheel actually is. 1 being super clean, to 10 being super dirty. So I will measure it out. I am personally going like a 8. I'm gonna say it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna grab the wipe and you guys can see these grooves. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just start rubbing it back and forth, just to ensure I remove any body oils away from the steering wheel. Because like I mentioned earlier in the video, a lot of people tend to forget that they wear lotion in their hands, they might have sunscreen, they might have makeup, and your steering wheel, since you're always touching it to drive, haha, get it? You're always touching it to drive, it's going to take the most damage over time, especially if you have no tire protection. Now, total interior cleaner and protectant is also going to protect it. So like right now, super shiny just because it's wet, but I do have a secondary towel on standby that's going to help me remove any excess product. So I'm just gonna rub it back and forth. And it's okay if I'm wrong. Maybe the steering wheel is super clean. So look, I'm just rubbing it back and forth. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my towel and buff off any residue. And you guys can see that the steering wheel no longer has a shine to it. So if your steering wheel actually has a shine to it, that means the leather, the vinyl, the plastic, whatever your steering wheel is made out of in your car is dirty. So if we actually look closely, it's like, honestly, it's like a 4. And I'm gonna just touch it up. You could also go like this if you guys want an easier clean. So this is the cool thing about having a wipe. You could contour to different areas and achieve a super deep clean. Look, I come back, it gets a lot more dirtier, and the grooves in the wipe that are waffle weave texture is doing an amazing job at letting me achieve a much deeper clean. All right, look at that. Everything is clean. Dashboard, nav screen, steering wheel, control stocks. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna invite you back to that side so you guys can see how easily I tackle this center console. I still have my same wipe right here. I had 2 wipes for this whole entire interior. Here's the first one, here's the second one. Now all I'm gonna do is just go back over this center console with it. Look, you guys can see the wipe still has a lot of total interior on it. You guys can see there's the product suspended right there. I'm doing the clean on all the buttons, the knobs. I'm also gonna be touching up the shift knobs. Now, total interior, like I mentioned before, works on everything: vinyl, plastic, rubber. Just rub it on there, wipe it right off, and ensure you have a clean, protected interior. Especially, we are right around the corner from where the weather starts heating up. You want to ensure your interior is going to be protected, because what ends up happening is, if you're that person that has no protection, how Casey says it, no protection, that's a bad idea. If you're that person that has an interior that's not protected and you have a fishbowl, by me meaning a fishbowl, no tints whatsoever in your car, this product right here is going to prevent any dashboard cracking or discoloring over time. And look, you guys can see that wipe is doing an amazing job at removing the filth and grime away from the center console. Of course, there's still going to be dog hair lingering around, but do not worry. The dog hair will be getting cleaned up and addressed. If you guys see that carpet, that thing has seen better days. But Alex is on standby right now. I'm looking at him right now. He's going to be showing you guys exactly how to clean this up from the dog hair. But look at that. A big before and after. There's no more paw prints. There's no more coffee marks or anything. If you have any excess, like I've mentioned before, just wipe it right off. And look at that. It's super easy, super fun to use our total interior. This Mazda CX-30 2021 came into the shop and it was filthy. And just like that, we cleaned up the whole entire interior. As always, if you guys would like to pick up any of these products today that I use in today's video, from towels, stick yikis to our brand new total interior new car scented wipes, you can hop onto chemicalguys.com, or you could also drive down to your local detail garage. As always, I'm Henry, and don't forget to share your passion for shine with Chemical Guys. We'll see you guys next time.